Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Mercedes W203 C-Class, and today we're going to replace the traction control module, the ESP module on it, because this one, what happened, especially when it's raining outside, it started malfunctioning, so the speedometer quits working and the ESP and ABS light come on and the car gets stuck in park. If you put it in park, you're not able to put it in drive unless there is a little trick. You can check the video on our channel. So today we're going to show you how to replace the ESP module. It is right here, and what about it, like right here, that's the cable. So you need to just pull up right there, all the way up, and the wiring comes right off. And now we're going to use a 4mm socket, but I do not recommend that. You have to get the right perfect socket for it. We're just using this one, it works for us. Okay, so now we need to remove these 3 screws, and again I said we use 4mm socket, but you definitely need to use the right tool. And what you need to do right now, after you remove all 3 of them, you kind of like shake it back and forth and it comes out of there. Okay, you have to be careful. Okay, this is the module right here. And now we just get the other one that we got. It's a used one again, right here. And now you just need to make sure this one goes right there in the hole. Be careful and just get it there and push it in until it gets to the spot where it needs to be. You should not have any space right here. And now we just need to install the 3 bolts. Again, make sure that you don't get them too tight. They're little bolts, and if you get them too tight, this is aluminum body and you're going to strip the thread. Okay, now all we need to do is just get it there and push down. It's going to lock the wires right there, and you might need to go to Mercedes and reset the code. You might not need to do that. In our case, we didn't have to do that. You also can do that with MB Star. If you have it, you can reset them yourself. If you have any questions, let us know. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.